The transport has a lot of functionality in Pro Tools, and at first glance, it has the most basic play, stop, rewind, move to the beginning, move to the end, loop, playback. You could say this is quick punch. There's also some external syncing we can do for Genlock or MTC if we have any MIDI timecode coming in, and some online controls for online synchronization. But most of the functions that we tend to use when we're working in a normal situation are pre-roll, post-roll, maybe count off, and then definitely the tempo functions. And then there's a few extra additional elements, and we can expand to even more. There's additional Ableton link, and for an external link to the Ableton Live. And additionally, there's some other functions here where we have metronome on and off. So, and we can actually set up some very specific elements about that. Notice you have unaccented, accented. You can set it up so that the click is only on during the recording process, but not when you're just playing it back, or only on during the count off process, which is kind of nice. You can also tell it, only during, record for the two bars or for a certain duration. You can give the notes velocity there so they can pitch up and down. You can also define where the output for the click is. So if you don't like the click, you can switch it to a different style of click using some sort of MIDI instrument.